Your steering wheel is shaking right now, and every second you ignore it costs you money. This violent vibration you feel at idle is not a warning, it is a countdown to a financial disaster. And today, you are going to learn exactly why. Somewhere in your engine bay sits one tiny $10 sensor that most mechanics pray you never find. Because the moment you clean it yourself, their entire repair bill disappears into thin air. Before we get to the sensor that fixes everything, you need to survive 9 traps designed to bleed your wallet dry, and the very last one on this list is the exact reason your car has been shaking for weeks while shops kept collecting your cash. Stay to the end, because walking away early means walking straight into the same nightmare that already drained thousands from other drivers just like you. Number 9. The $1,100 motor mount panic. You pull up to a stoplight, your seat rattles, and the advisor points a flashlight at a hairline crack in the rubber and calls it destroyed. This is a classic money pit setup, because mount labor runs deep and the damage looks convincing under garage lighting. But your engine only shakes mounts apart, when it is already vibrating violently from something else, meaning healthy mounts get blamed for a crime they did not commit. Owners on forums report replacing mounts twice in 1 year while the shaking never stopped, because nobody touched the real trigger. That $1,100 repair is a gamble you are guaranteed to lose. Number 8. The $400 spark plug switch. Pull one plug, show you a dusting of carbon, and suddenly your whole ignition system needs replacing. This trap works because new plugs briefly smooth out the idle, giving you false hope right before your card gets charged. Within 2,000 miles, those same premium plugs foul out again, because the actual air calculation feeding your engine was never repaired. Consumer Reports has flagged this exact pattern across dozens of shops nationwide as a temporary fix sold as a permanent one. You just paid $400 to delay the same nightmare by 6 weeks. Number 7. The $200 injector flush con. They hook a pressurized can of solvent to your fuel rail, run your engine for 15 minutes, and bill you 2 hours of labor for what amounts to expensive cleaning fluid. Your injectors are almost never the problem, because the real betrayal is happening upstream where bad data forces clean injectors to misfire on command. This flush might clear a fraction of carbon, but it does absolutely nothing for the violent shake rattling your dashboard. A $10 bottle from any parts store, poured straight into your tank, achieves the same chemical result without the theft. Number 6. The $700 throttle body replacement. They claim the internal motor has failed, and only a full replacement will save your idle. In reality, the hardware is almost always fine. It is just choking on a thick ring of sludge that 10 minutes of cleaner and a nylon brush would erase completely. Dealerships refuse to mention this, because a $5 can of cleaner does not hit their monthly quota the way a brand new assembly does. NHTSA complaint databases are full of drivers who paid full price for a part that needed nothing but a wipe down. That $700 invoice is pure betrayal, dressed up as necessary repair. Number 5. The $3,000 transmission scare. Your car lurches on acceleration, and suddenly a torque converter rebuild is on the table, threatening to gut your entire savings account in one signature. This ticking time bomb sales pitch praise on the fact that engine misfires can transmit violent, surging straight through the drivetrain, mimicking gearbox failure perfectly. Shift into park, rev to 2,000 RPM, and if that same stutter appears with the transmission fully disengaged, your gearbox was never guilty. Drivers who caved to this pitch report losing $3,000 for a rebuild that changed absolutely nothing about their shake. Number 4. The EGR valve replacement at $400. Soot builds up on the internal pintle until the valve sticks slightly open, flooding your intake with exhaust gas and choking your idle into a violent shudder. Mechanics love pulling this part because scrubbing it clean takes 10 minutes, while a full replacement bills out at hours of labor you never actually needed. This is one of the most repeated costly mistakes across older commuter vehicles, quietly padding invoices year after year. 2 bolts, a can of carbon cleaner, and your idle smooths out instantly for less than the price of your lunch. Number 3. The check engine light ransom at $180. The advisor tells you a proprietary deep scan is the only way to decode your dashboard warning, then charges you 2 hours of labor to plug in a device that reads a federally mandated universal code. Every vehicle sold since 1996 speaks this same language, meaning a $20 reader from any auto parts store extracts identical information for free. This ransom tactic exists purely to justify every repair recommendation that follows it. You are paying premium money for information that costs nothing anywhere else in America. Number 2. The $30 air filter guilt trip. They hold up a dusty filter under harsh lighting and swear it is suffocating your engine, causing the exact vibration rattling your steering wheel. Fuel-injected engines compensate automatically for restricted airflow by adjusting fuel delivery, meaning a dirty filter costs you horsepower, never a violent shake at idle. This upsell survives purely on visual drama, not mechanical truth, and it has drained pockets for decades because it feels believable in the moment. A $10 filter fixes your future mileage, but it will never touch the shaking happening right now. Number 1, and this is the sensor you came here for. The true villain behind your violent shaking, surging RPMs, and threatening stall is a dirty mass airflow sensor. Sitting quietly behind your air filter, reading the incoming air with a microscopically thin heated wire. Over tens of thousands of miles, dust, pollen, and oily residue bake onto that wire until it lies to your engine computer, reporting far less air than is actually flowing in. Your computer panics, slashes fuel delivery, and your engine collapses into the exact violent shake that sent you searching for answers tonight. Mechanics will quote you $300 for a brand new sensor, when all you actually need is a can of specialized mass airflow cleaner, never brake cleaner, which will melt the delicate wire instantly. Unplug the connector, remove 2 screws, spray short controlled bursts directly onto the exposed filament. Let it dry for 60 seconds and reinstall. The moment you restart your engine, that violent shake disappears and your idle locks in rock, steady for the price of a fast food meal. You just walked through 9 traps, built to drain thousands of dollars from your bank account, and you uncovered the one $10 fix that ends the nightmare for good. Every shop that skipped straight to a quote instead of a cleaning was betting on your fear, not your car's actual condition. Stop gambling your savings on guesswork and start trusting the raw evidence under your own hood. If this saved you from a costly mistake, subscribe now and drop a comment telling us exactly where you are watching from, because your next repair disaster might already be waiting in our following video.